And while it will take a few years to fully implement these reforms, there are numerous protections and benefits that would start to take effect this year. Since 9/11, they've been renewed numerous times.
After that, there were numerous amount of threats leveled against South Korea ever since. However,
Ms. Jarrett is a longtime friend of the President's who's worked in numerous capacities in both the corporate and philanthropic worlds in Chicago prior to coming to Washington. But
She's received numerous awards and recognitions, including the MacArthur Genius Award.
Over a career that has spanned a half-century, she has received numerous accolades for her performances, including 2 Tony Awards, 6 additional Tony nominations, and the Kennedy Center Honors Award.
The committee's progress over the past several weeks is the culmination of work by all 5 committees and numerous members of Congress over the better part of this year. The past year, the President and I have worked closely on numerous occasions. 5-time All-Star, one of the emotional leaders of this team, but he's also the father of a son born with a rare birth defect that has required numerous surgeries and expensive treatments. As I've said on numerous occasions, there are many difficult days ahead in Afghanistan. I have met with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Palestinian Authority President Mahmoud Abbas on numerous occasions. I have valued His Majesty's advice on numerous occasions. And obviously, this meeting was an opportunity for us to share our views on the extraordinary changes that are taking place throughout the Middle East, throughout the region.
Elisha, we thank you. Extremely grateful for what Target done to support the design fair today with our teams and the numerous elements of the National Design Week possible for the 6th year in a row.
this free trade agreement will bring numerous benefits to our workers, our companies, our small businesses, and our consumers alike.
With boundless energy and an insatiable drive to serve her community, she threw herself into numerous causes, from supporting single parents to honoring India's cultural heritage.
We are indeed allies in numerous endeavors in Europe and around the world.
For their part, President Obama and Prime Minister Cameron have met and worked together on numerous occasions. But there's an interesting twist to this visit.
We wouldn't be doing this without the continued support, of course, of Target, which has made today's Team Design Fair and numerous elements of the National Design Week possible for the 7th year in a row. Let's go.
For leadership in numerous path-breaking studies of extragalactic astronomy and galaxy formation, and for oversight of the construction of important instruments, including the Keck telescopes.
I had already signed numerous executive orders, doing what we could administratively to make sure that guns don't fall into the hands of the wrong people.